Hello, beautiful and genius people. Welcome to our channel ZZ. Today I'm going to do transparent effect in Adobe After Effects. It's very easy. You can learn it easily. So let's begin. First, import video and then create new composition. Video 1, video 2 is new composition. Video 1 like this. And then first transparent effect we are going to do is in a text. Let's type GENIOUS. Genius. Text should be upper. Genius. viewers. You can change handing from here. Let's do this. And let's genius. Let's have that transparent effect in this genius view text. You will not see this track mattes option in genius view because it is in the top. That's why we cannot add transition effect in the top with top text videos so that it is not shown. When you in your Adobe After Effects you are not seeing this track matte option, then just click this. When you are seeing like this, then just go to down and just click here and you will see this track matte option. It's very easy to apply transparent effect in Adobe After Effects. Just come here, just click here, just click alpha matte in. Transparent effect has been already applied in this. Let's click this and to whoa. Let's play it. Look, transition effect. The lady is in no. Yeah. Disco lady is out. Dancing lady is in. Huh? Let's. Genius views. Look. Transparent effect is very easy. This track matte is very powerful tool of Adobe After Effects. Let's click this and let's do inverted. Inverted mean it will show inverted. Inverted mean that disco light is going out. Is in trend. Is in now text. Disco light call is in now text. Let's see. It will help you to look your intro or outros more attractive. Look, see, you can do one thing, another thing also here. You can just go to the transform and just Over here, and just come here, and just do here, and just do here, and just do here, and just come here, and just come here, and just come here, and just come here. Let's look. Let's press F9 to make it more smoother by selecting it. F9. Let's play it. This transparent effect is one of the coolest effects of Adobe After Effects, and it is the most powerful tool. Isn't it looking good? And let's try and luma height. Let's see luma height. Let's delete it and let's create new solid. Okay, and just effect and presence, search for trouble noise. Apply this effect in this, and let's increase this contrast and transform, rotation, increases scale, and blending mode, opacity. It's a little bit advanced form of Adobe After Effects, advanced tool of Adobe After Effects. Just press Ultra and click Evolution. If you are on a Mac, press Control and Evolution, and this will come, and just type time star 50. It will start animating. After typing this, just click out of this time star 15, and let's look. It's animating, and then let's go to it like this, and let's apply normal, and then let's apply luma matte dark salt. Like this, you can apply transparent effect in videos. You can see both videos here, the transparent effect with the animating solid. Triple visual effects. Let's do it same like that. You can create like this visual effect using track mattes. Track mattes is a very powerful tool in Adobe After Effects. Ender tool. With the help of Ender tool, you cannot do transparent effect like track matte. Okay, my genius friends, gem friends, this was for today. For another tutorial video like this, for another learning videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If I add some value, by seeing my video, if you learn a little bit also, then please hit that subscribe button, because that will motivate me to learn and make another easy tutorial video for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.